guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I received this package in the mail the other day, and it's an LED floodlight for your garage or your driveway or your walkway. It's a big solar panel that you put on top of your roof. It has a line that connects to the light itself. It's 241 individual LED lights in a square. Let's open it up and see. Do a quick unboxing, huh? There's the solar panel itself. I've had a few of these, but they're like street lamps that you put on your street lamp posts. This is the same size solar panel. There's the connection to it. 3-prong, 2-prong. And this is 300 watts, 1000 volts. Maximum system voltage. But I believe the light itself is 300 watts. Yeah. Wow, cool. There it is. There's a solar lamp. Has a gauge here, 25%, 50, 75, 100%. Suppose that's the charging. There's a sensor. And this is an IP67, which means it's waterproof for outdoor use. The manufacturer is WYWNA. How do you make the name so hard to pronounce and remember? Why can't you make it a normal name? WYWNA? How do you even pronounce WYWNA? So while you can mount this in front of your garage or in front of your house, the look of it, the design, first of all, it's black with the black frame with this type of utilitarian, commercial, industrial look to it. It would look too industrial and commercial to be in front of somebody's residential home. You know what I mean? So for somebody to want to mount this in front of your house, it just looks very mechanical and utilitarian. You know what I mean? People like the look of their house the way it is. They don't want to put something that's square with a cheap, ugly black bracket on it, you know? So I think I would definitely not put it in front of my house. It would look ugly, you know? Nobody has a big square LED light in front of their house. Maybe a business or a commercial building maybe, but not a house, not a residential home. So what I think this would work is for my shed in the back. It's designed for interior too, even though it is waterproof. I always need a light in my shed. When I go out at night and search for parts in there, plus my firewood is in there, I could use a light in there. And for this to be remote control and powered by the sun, it would be great. I'll mount the solar panel on top of the roof of my shed. This will be snaked inside the shed, so that I now have lights all the time in my shed, controlled by remote control. So that's pretty cool. Also enclosed in the box are instructions, warranty card, and thank you card. It also has a bracket here where you can mount the solar panel on a swivel if you want. But I think I could just drill that directly onto my roof. Also included is your remote control and mounting hardware. It doesn't come with batteries. So now I have to go, stop what I'm doing, go inside and find batteries. So I hate it when products don't send you batteries. How much does a battery cost? Why can't you give us the battery, you know? Looks like it's 2 AAA. So I have to stop now and go find 2 AAA batteries. Why can't you just put 2 batteries in here? What do they cost? $1? I will gladly pay the $1 if you just give me batteries so I don't have to stop what I'm doing and go do this. So, preliminary mounting of the bracket on the back of the solar panel, it has to go like that, okay? I don't know why they have 4 holes here when you can only use 2 of the holes, right? If you move it over, you won't have it. And also, to get the bolt, the screw in there, you have to do it this way. You have to try to weasel the bolt underneath here to have it pop out. Or you can try to balance the nut in there and hold it while you put it through. So it's difficult to get it on here. So I managed to put the bracket on here. Of course, the wrench that they give me does not fit. So you have to go and find something else of your own. I don't know if other people would have any tools, so I don't know how they would be able to do this. So if you put it on this way, the way I have it now, it's fine. But if you put it the other way, you would need to hold the nut on the bottom with something, because they don't give you the tool to do it. And you'd need to have a Phillips screwdriver to tighten it. So this way is the best way. Kind of a pain, but it's done. So the wire that goes from the solar panel, I connected the connectors to the light itself. And over here, you can see it is now charging. Let's bring this to the backyard and get the shed ready for installation. So here's my shed in the backyard. And as you can see, the sun is always south. So just mounting the solar panel on the left part of there is going to be just fine. I'm going to drill a hole and then mount the light on the inside. Solar panel on the outside. You're going to need a drill and a screwdriver or impact and a ladder. So I'm going to put you on time lapse after I show you what it looks like inside. So I come into the backyard quite a bit at night to get parts. And I never have a light. So to have a light in here is going to be great. Okay, so I'm all finished. It was a little harder than I thought because things never go the way you want it. Because of the angles of the beams, it was hard to get it in there without removing the bracket. So you got to remove the bracket first off the light so you can drill it into the angle that you want and then put it back onto the light. As you can see, it is charging at full strength from the sun and the solar panels on the roof. Drilled a hole on the side of my shed, have the wire go through, mounted the bracket, and actually this could swivel either left or right. So that's pretty cool, huh? And it is just a shed light, you know? So because this is a shed light, it's always going to be dark in here, right? And so you don't want it to be on all the time. So I just have the remote control here and I turn it on and there you go. Now I have a shed that has very bright light and I can be in here looking for the things that I need. So that's fantastic. I love it. And then you just turn it off when you leave. You can set this for auto, where if your light was outdoors and it's dusk till dawn, when it's daylight, it shuts off by itself and charges. And at nighttime, it goes on by itself. That's if you want your driveway or walkway or backyard to be lit up all the time while it's dark. Well, I don't want that, but you have the choice of doing that. Also, you have 3-hour, 5-hour, and 8-hour preset buttons where you can just press it and it'll be on 3 hours, 5 hours, or 8 hours. And you can also set it the brightness if you want as well. Here, let's try. So you can lower the intensity of the light, and you can increase the intensity of the light with your remote control. And like I said, you can shut it off. So fantastic. I usually I'll leave my thing there, and we're good to go. So pretty cool, huh? Nice solar 241 LED light. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. And thanks a lot for joining me on today's product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
If this guy screwed this up, I'm gonna
See you guys next time on Mowers.